So I start off with either of the Laura Geller pressed foundations. There's Illuminating, or I think it's a Baked Balance one. I love both of them in medium, and you can see my tone of my skin, and the medium is perfect for me. And then I love this. This is great. And we're going traveling in January, and I'm going to take this with me, but this is great for contouring anywhere. Like I like to contour beside my nose, my cheekbones, along my jawline. And the blush, I'm just going to go in my blush brush, is great as well. It's got a lot of nice pigment to it. As you can see, it looks really great on my skin. There's highlighter. I'm not really a highlighter person. My daughters would probably use that a bit more. I probably need to learn how to use highlighter, but I also love the colors up here for eyeshadow. I do sometimes use this highlighter for eyeshadow. I'll just grab my brush here. So see, I find this very similar to this, but you can use either or. Today I'll use this one, but it looks so nice. It's such a natural, straighten my camera for you. It's such a natural color, but it looks really, really nice on. I'll just do the one eye so you can see the pigment of it. Get this brush here. I typically do like to use the darker color. It gives me just a little bit more definition. And I might even go back again for a little bit more just because I don't feel like it today. There's the one I done to the other, but doesn't that look nice? It's such a nice set. And like I said, if you're into the contouring, the highlighting, it's got everything that you need.